my loves. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and do so. And don't forget to press that notification bell so you can get weekly updates on all of my delicious, fabulous recipes. Please don't forget to like and do not forget to share. Let everybody know that Miss Jackie is cooking. Yes, indeed, my loves. So today we are going to make our one-pan sweet and spicy chicken wings. Yes, indeed, this is a one-pan dish. I love it. It was something I did because one night my husband asked me to cook. I didn't feel like doing anything, so I threw everything in the pot and it came out delicious. So we have some chicken wings here that have already been cleaned and with my vinegar and all that stuff. You have your favorite barbecue sauce. Okay. I have some dark brown sugar. I have some honey. We have some ginger. We have some beautiful black pepper, some dark soy sauce, and some dried cilantro. Okay, if you want to add sesame oil to this, my loves, please feel free to do so, and anything else I haven't mentioned. And also some hot pepper sauce. If you don't have that, you could use some chili paste, or you could even add hot sauce, okay? But I guarantee you're gonna love this. It's quick, it's easy, it's no stress, and this is what it's about, all right? So let's get started. All right, so my loves, we have our pan here. Like I told you, my chicken has been cleaned. It has been washed thoroughly, okay? And this is about 2 pounds of chicken wings, 2¼ pounds of chicken wings, okay? And my loves, the ingredients are listed in the box below. And yes, I just washed my hands. Okay, now it's a one-pan dish because everything is being done in the pan. Right now I'm adding my favorite barbecue sauce. Everything is being done in one pan. You're seasoning it in the pan. You're gonna let it cook in the pan. That's why I called it my one-pan sweet and spicy sticky chicken wings, okay? Because they are sticky, okay? Okay, so now we're adding our barbecue sauce. This was a chipotle type of barbecue sauce. I saw it at ShopRite, and they were selling them for $1. You know, the sales that go on at ShopRite. So I grabbed them, and you know, it's not bad. It was pretty good. Okay, so you add the barbecue sauce of your choice. We are adding some dark soy sauce. Okay, and my loves, I'm gonna let you know, you do not need to add salt. You do not need to do that. There's no reason for you to add salt because you have the dark soy sauce, the barbecue sauce, and all that other tuluntu going on. You don't need it. Trust me and believe me, okay? But try this first, and if you still want more salt, go ahead, knock yourself out, but don't blame me if you have high blood pressure, okay? So add your black pepper, okay? And now we're gonna add some of our dried cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, you could add dried parsley or dried basil, okay? But again, like I said, I'm giving this to you and you can tweak it to the way you like. This is quick and it's fast. You don't have to do anything in the oven. You don't have to dirty up more than one pot or what have you. Everything is being done in this one pot, okay? And now we're adding our honey. I'm telling you, my husband one night, he was like, oh, I'm hungry. I'm like, man, if you do not leave me alone. Because he be hungry at times you be up in your bed. You don't want to be bothered. I'm like, what? So I went in the kitchen. I didn't feel like, putting anything in a separate pot and having to put it in the oven. I just said, the heck with it. I threw it all in one pot. And I said, however it comes out. Now we're adding our dark brown sugar. I said, however it comes out is however it comes out. I know it'll have some kind of taste and he'll eat it. But to my surprise, I guess that's how dishes come out. Good. It came out fabulous, okay? Now we're gonna add some ginger. Now all I did with this, my loves, I didn't peel the ginger, okay? All I did was wash the ginger, rinse it under cold water, make sure it's nice and rinsed. I'm just slicing what I need, okay? And just to release the oil, I'm gonna crush it once or twice or 3 times or 4 times. And I'm gonna throw it right in there. Because all I need is the oils from the ginger. I need the essence of the ginger. That's all we need, okay? And you're just going to throw that in this. I didn't waste my time peeling it, okay? Because I already cleaned it on the outside. Now we're going to add our hot pepper sauce. This is some Mexican, I think it's a Mexican hot pepper sauce. I love it. It's green. It's a green hot pepper sauce. Oh, gosh. If I remember, it's a hot sauce, chili habanero. Oh God, what was the name? It's a, well, here it is. It's a El Yucateco. El Yucateco. That's the name of it. That's the name of the brand. Okay. So now, my loves, and this is good hot pepper sauce if you love heat. So now we are just going to stir everything together. Okay. And if you want to add garlic to this, you can. I didn't add no garlic because the barbecue sauce I was using already had the essence of garlic in it. So feel free to crush a few cloves of garlic into it, okay? And like I mentioned earlier, if you even want to put some sesame oil, go ahead. But don't go stir crazy because sesame's oil is very strong, okay? So now we are going to take this and I am going to put this on medium heat. And you have to constantly come back and check on this, guys. Let's say 15 minutes, you're going to check it and you're going to stir it, okay? So I guess I just changed the filter just so you could see it better, okay? And with this is good, especially for when is that football season stuff come out? In February, January, whenever. This is great to serve. So now we're covering this, and within the next 15 minutes, we'll come back and check it. Okay, and we're going to see what's up with this, okay? All right, so this is 15 minutes later. And as you can see, it's starting to simmer. Okay. And again, what I like about this is you ain't got to worry about turning on the oven or seasoning another bowl, and then you got to put it in the oven. And ain't nobody got time for that, So right now I'm stirring it. Okay. That's what we're going to do every 15 minutes. Okay, and we're going to put our lid on and we're going to come back again in 15 minutes. Okay, and here we go. And of course you have to keep in mind chicken wings, they have a lot of water in them, but that's good because all that flavor from the chicken is going to naturally bless and fuse with the barbecue sauce. Okay, I liked how I put that. It's going to bless. I like that. It's okay. So it's naturally going to bless and merge and marry with the barbecue sauce. I love the way I put things. I'm such a Gemini. So we are going now. We finished stirring it. And now, again, at this point, we're going to cover our pot again. Okay? And at this point, I slightly cracked the lid a little bit, my loves, because of all that extra liquid that came up. So I want some of that liquid to evaporate. Now, as you can see, it's starting to get thick. Now, I have to tell you something. I'm stirring it again. I would suggest that you use a nonstick pan for this because I ain't gonna lie to you. I guess because of the sugar concentrating in this, the bottom of my pot, baby, it took me like a day or two to try to scrub that off, and I had to let it soak. So listen, the point is this came out delicious. You're gonna love this, but the downside of it is your pot. So make sure, if you can, use a nonstick pan for this, okay? So as you can see, our sauce is getting nice and thick. Okay? And we're just stirring. So all these little shifts, all these transitions, you see me, I was just, that's every 15 minutes, and we're turning it. So as you can see, you see how this reduced? Okay, and it's reducing into a nice sauce, and it's gonna get nice and like a nice dark red. I think when you come out with dishes and you do things and you don't think about it, especially if you're a cook, and for all you cooks out there, you know what I'm talking about, that's when something's like, oh my God, that's when you create a magic dish. And this was perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And that's why I tell you, my loves, you do not need salt. Trust and believe. But if you choose to add salt after you taste this, go ahead. But don't blame me for your high blood pressure, okay? Because it really doesn't need it. But again, everybody's palate is different. So again, as you can see now, if you like your chicken wings really saucy, at this point, you can take it off and serve it like that. Okay? But I want it to reduce some more because I don't want all that sauce. Okay? But if you look at the chicken wings, all that flavor has penetrated the chicken wings. Okay, and here we go. You see how quick and easy that was? Oh my God, look at this. My loves, at this time, if you want to add some, I don't know, crushed peanuts, because I know some Asian dishes, they like to add crushed peanuts, or if you want to add some, what's that other tulum? Some sesame seeds. Knock yourself out. These are some fresh, beautiful milk buns I made. My loves, I want you to enjoy this. Please don't forget to subscribe. I want you to eat, love, and pray. Bye.